So, Meg, what do you like to do in your free time?
Actually, I love cooking. I like to try new dishes and I love baking as well.
Oh, nice. That's interesting because I hate cooking.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I don't know anything about baking, but I like cleaning.
Y-
Cleaning is relaxing.
Really? Is that true?
Yeah, really, I like cleaning. So,
Oh,
my house is usually very clean.
my house is usually clean also, but I don't like cleaning very much.
Yeah, I think most people don't like cleaning, but some people think cleaning is relaxing, like
That's
me.
true. What else do you like to do?
Well, I like exercising. I
Mm-hmm.
like going to the gym. I like listening to podcasts. So I listen to a lot of podcasts a lot. And I like surfing the internet. And sometimes I enjoy reading books.
I also enjoy reading books when I have time.
But these days, I often listen to books instead. I listen to audiobooks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I like listening to audiobooks
Why?
because I can exercise at the same time.
So exercising and reading at the same time.
Yeah, it's fun. So I love jogging, and I go jogging almost every day, usually for 1 hour. So I listen to audiobooks when I jog.
Oh, so you can do two things at once.
Very important. Multitasking.
Right.
I love multitasking.
Sounds like you're good at multitasking.
Let's talk about outdoor activities.
Sure.
Do you like doing yard work?
I don't especially like doing yard work, but right now I don't have a yard, so doing yard work isn't something I have to worry about. What about you?
I like doing yard work. I think it's very relaxing. It's like cleaning, so I enjoy it. But like you, I don't have a yard, so now I don't do yard work very much, or I
Um,
can't do yard work.
so you like gardening if you have a yard?
Yeah, so I grew up on a big house, so we had lots of yard work, lots of
Mm,
gardening, so yeah.
right.
But what about other things like hiking? Do you like hiking?
I love hiking. Anything that is in nature, I love doing. So I love hiking, I love kayaking, I love canoeing, any outdoor sports. Do you like hiking?
I do. I'm with you. I love hiking. What about things like rock climbing?
I have never been rock climbing. Have you gone rock climbing?
No, rock climbing looks dangerous,
Yeah,
so I'm a little scared.
yeah.
So I've never done rock climbing either. What about things like singing and dancing? Do you enjoy singing and dancing?
I enjoy singing, but I'm not very good at it. So I like singing when I'm alone or in my car. Are you good at singing?
No, I'm terrible at singing, so I hate singing. I really, really hate singing. But I like going to karaoke and listening to people sing.
Yeah, some people are really good at singing.
Yeah.
What about dancing?
I hate dancing too.
Yeah,
I'm not good at dancing, so dancing is very embarrassing for me, so I don't like it.
I'm not good at dancing either.
Are there any other activities you really dislike doing? Like for me, I hate writing letters. For example, I don't like writing thank you letters. I don't like writing anything with my hand. Typing is okay. I don't mind typing things, but I hate writing.
So using your hand to write, you hate writing.
Yeah, I like typing. Fingers is okay. Thumb is
Right,
okay on the phone. Like, I don't mind texting.
right.
I don't mind typing. I just don't like physically writing with a pencil or pen.
Like, yeah, pen or pencil, like a letter,
Because,
writing a letter.
right, because my writing is really bad
Oh.
and it's hard to read, so
Mm-hmm.
it's embarrassing. How
I'm
about
sure
you?
it's fine.
Yeah. How about you? For example, do you like ironing your clothes?
I don't like ironing my clothes, but my clothes usually don't need ironing, so I don't have to worry about it too much. I don't like doing laundry. It's
Mm.
related to ironing clothes. So it takes a long time, and the clothes, I have to dry the clothes. So doing laundry is a little bit boring for me.
I don't mind doing laundry if I go to the coin laundry, but I hate hanging my laundry out. So I hate hanging out my laundry. It takes forever. I don't know why. You put it out, you take it back in. It just takes so much time.
That's funny. I'm kind of the opposite. So I don't mind hanging out my laundry because I like saving money. So I don't have to use money at the coin laundry.
Plus, you are helping the environment.
That's true. I like helping the earth.
Yeah, I should change. Okay, thanks, Meg.
Yeah.